Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to clear filters off from objects or shapes in Photoshop. Like for instance, this particular image right here, let's say for instance, I try to apply some filters. I come to the top right here, I click on filters, then I decide to add under the filter right here, and I decide to add blur. Then under the blur, I try to add Gaussian blur right here. Now, in the process of adding filter, so we can find out that the filter is much in that particular object. So, and we click on OK. How do we clear off this particular filter, or how we can disable this filter in order to maintain the object or shape? This can be used for shapes or object or image in Photoshop. So what we want to do here is to come to the layer of that particular object. We right click on it, then we have clear smart filter. So once you click on clear smart filter, you have your original object right here. Then you can go back to filter. Then you can, let's say for instance, you want to apply the dot right here. So you go ahead and then click on ripple the dot right here. Then here you can decide to work on the, let's say you want to work on the ripple right here. So you can just adjust the amount. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve. Then you have it apply on the image right there. Then you hit on OK. Then in a few seconds you have the effect right here. And mistakenly, this is not what exactly you really want to achieve. You can decide to come back to the layer right here. Right click on the layer. Then you can clear or disable the smart filter. So once you disable smart filter, you have your object back into the original. This is very much simple tricks you need to understand, as far as most especially when you are using filters in Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you